Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam Sri Gurum Vaishnava.
Translation. The highest authority for me is the unlimited Supreme Personality of Godhead, from whom this wonderful creation emanates, and in whom its sustenance and dissolution rest. He is the origin of all Prajapatis, the personalities meant to produce living entities in this world. Purport. Kardama Muni was ordered by his father, Prajapati, to produce children. In the beginning of creation, the Prajapatis were meant to produce the large population which was to reside in the planets of the gigantic universe. But Kardama Muni said that although his father was Prajapati, who desired him to produce children, actually his origin was the Supreme Personality of Godhead Vishnu, because Vishnu is the origin of everything. He is the actual creator of this universe. He is the actual maintainer, and when everything is annihilated, it rests in him only. That is the conclusion of Srimad Bhagavatam. For creation, maintenance, and annihilation, there are the three deities, Brahma, Vishnu, and Maheshwara, or Shiva. But Brahma and Maheshwara are qualitative expansions of Vishnu. Vishnu is the central figure. Vishnu, therefore, takes charge of maintenance. No one can maintain the whole creation but him. There are innumerable entities, and they have innumerable demands. No one but Vishnu can fulfill the innumerable demands of all the innumerable living entities. Brahma is ordered to create, and Shiva is ordered to annihilate. The middle function, maintenance, is taken charge of by Vishnu. Kardama Muni knew very well, by his power in progressive spiritual life, that Vishnu, the personality of Godhead, was his worshipable deity. Whatever Vishnu desired was his duty, and nothing else. He was not prepared to beget a number of children. He would beget only one child, who would help the mission of Vishnu. As stated in Bhagavad Gita, whenever there is a discrepancy in the discharge of religious principles, the Lord descends on the surface of the earth to protect religious principles and to annihilate the miscreants. Marrying and begetting a child is considered to liquidate one's debts to the family in which one is born. There are many debts which are imposed upon a child just after his birth. There are debts to the family in which one is born, debts to the demigods, debts to the pitas, debts to the rishis, etc. But if someone engages only in the service of the Supreme Lord, the personality of Godhead, who is actually worshipable, then even without trying to liquidate other debts, one becomes free from all obligations. Kardama Muni preferred to devote his life as a servant of the Lord in Paramahansa knowledge, and to beget a child only for that purpose, not to beget numberless children to fill up the vacancies in the universe.
So, the purpose of marriage is explained here. Putra Tritiyate Bhajya Putra Pilla Prajanam. So, and the purpose of one or two nice children once married, not for sense gratification. This is the basic purpose of marriage. So, in our Krishna consciousness movement, we allow marriage on this principle, not for sense gratification. All the chief devotees of Lord Chaitanya, in Lord Chaitanya himself, he married twice. So marrying is not private. but everything should be under regulated principle according to the law. Then either one is sannyasi or a married man or a brahmachari, it doesn't matter. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu stressed Jai Krishna Tattvavetta Sai Guru. He never said that the sannyasis should be Guru and not the grihasthas. He says Jai Krishna Tattvavetta Sai Guru. Anyone who knows the science of Krishna, he can become Guru. And that Guru, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, says everything very simplified. আমার আজ্ঞায় গুরু হইয়া তার সর্বদেশ যারে দেখো তারে কহ কৃষ্ণ উপদেশ সর্বদেশ or এই দেশ, wherever you are living, it doesn't matter. Just like our terrorist, he is grihastha, he is living in Iran, Tehran, then it doesn't matter. If he speaks Krishna katha, then he is Guru. It's a very simple thing. We should not speak beyond what is spoken by Krishna. Take Bhagavad Gita and try to preach the principles, speak whatever is spoken in the Bhagavad Gita, then it doesn't matter whether you are a grihastha or sannyasi or brahmachari, you become Guru. Our mission, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's mission, Krishna consciousness, the same mission as Krishna, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Jare dakho tare kaho Krishna Upadesh. These Krishna Upadesh are translated into Krishna consciousness. How to make people Krishna conscious. This is our mission. On this principle, either grihastha or banapastha or sannyasi, everyone can take that. Jai Krishna Tattvavetta Sai Guru. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was taking instruction from Ramananda Raya. He was grihastha, not even Brahman. So he was hesitating. The Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is coming from a very exalted Brahmana family and sannyas, and Ramananda Raya was grihastha, not even Brahmana. How he could teach him, or give him instruction? He was hesitating. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, in order to favor him, he said, it doesn't matter, don't hesitate. Kiva Vikro Kiva Sudra Nasikare Noy, Jai Krishna Tattvavetta Sai Guru. By his practical life, he was asking, generally questions are asked to the superior person, and the superior person answers. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, although he was superior in everything, he was asking Ramananda Raya to answer. He met Haridas Thakur. He was Mahamina by birth. Namacharya, the Acharya spreading Hare Krishna Mahaprabhu. These are the wonderful activities. Sanatana Goswami, he practically became Mahamina. Why practically? Absolutely. He was rejected by the Brahman society. Because he was minister, he was mixing with the Mohammedans and everything, he was eating with them. So the Brahmin society rejected him. Their name was also changed. Sakar Malli, Nawab Hussain Sahib, very confidential man. Nawab Hussain Sahib was today, Sanatana Goswami as his representative in everything. The government was being managed by him. So, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu accepted them and they became the Goswami, Sanatana Goswami. So in this movement, no such consideration who anyone who takes to Krishna consciousness is first class, that's all. So our principle says we have to make people Krishna conscious, God conscious. Then our mission will be successful. Either as Grihastha, either Manaputra, Sannyasi, doesn't matter. The philosophy, the truth should be preached, everyone will be happy. That is Krishna consciousness. Thank you very much.
Jai Srila Prabhupada.